2D cuboid in Archicad. Let's know about step by step in Archicad.
Friends, how to create instant cuboid in 2D scripting. First of all, open Archicad and go to File and New. Here we take a polyline. It saves the time. First of all, create rectangle, square, and here the center. You can also sketch a line and make a center, and after that create another rectangle. Here and now here we take single polyline. Here now and now another one. Now it is a cuboid and we give a dimension of it. So what we have to do, take a dimension tool and here put second and right click, okay, and here get dimension, and also I have to increase font size of dimension. So here I put 5, now 10, then it show the dimension. You can see that here, and you can do that all these things of all area. So I took only one for the learning. You can do all these things. And now what you have to do, here now we go to File, then Library and Object, and New Object. Select 2D and here select entire cuboid with dimension. Here we have to drag. Now you can see that cuboid in 2D scripting. Yeah. All scripting from drag of cuboid 2D. And now you can use also learn how to make and create. So you simply will understand how to do it.